Is this rental unit a good opportunity for passive income? Let's have a look at it. Hi, welcome to Great Canadian Housing Hype, where we talk everything real estate. First, this multi-unit house is located in the city of Fox Creek, Alberta. Let's have some more details on this. It's at 311 3rd Avenue. It was built in 1970. Let's look at some more details about a mortgage. First of all, the price is $890,000. The 20% down, that's $178,000 down payment. Down payment is going to need some closing costs. At 2% closing costs, that's $14,000 for a total capital investment, $192,000. Now, for a 30-year lease at 6% interest rate, what kind of monthly payment will you be paying the bank? $4,300 is what you're going to pay to the bank. Now, how many units does this have? Let's roll the dice, and it is 12. Now, 12 units. What is the average rent Fox Creek, Alberta for this location? $2,600 for an executive suite. Let's take it down to $2,200 to be a little bit more conservative of the price. Now, what is this total monthly rent that you will get? $26,000. That sounds really good. Oh, but wait, there's more. Oh no. Let's look at the other expenses. Tax, insurance, garbage, internet, heating, lawn mowing. Wow, that works out to $13,000. Now, wait a minute. There was a lot of money going back and forth. Is this a good investment or not? Because there was the mortgage, the monthly rent, and the other expenses. Well, let's have a look to see if it follows the rule. Remember? Yes, it does follow the 1% rule, and you will make an income if you bought this investment. Let's look at how much exactly you will make per month after all expenses. $9,200 with 20% down. Thanks for watching the Great Canadian Housing Hype, and if you like this kind of content, like and subscribe, and if you'd like to have access to the Google Sheet, give me a shout in the links. Thanks for watching.